Hello and welcome to the Audiolab video guide to the Audiolab 8200M monoblock power amplifier. We're going to talk you through the build quality of this unit and the best way to set it up. The 8200M is the full width monoblock power amp from Audiolab in the 8200 series. It's rated at 125 watts into 8 ohms or 200 watts into a 4 ohm load. It weighs 8.2 kilograms and is available in black and in silver. It has a very rigid construction. You can see on the side plating along with the top panel in the front there. And the front panel is anodised aluminium with a power switch on the right hand side. It's available in black and silver, as I mentioned, and it has a frequency response of 0.1 Hz to 75 kHz at -3 decibels. It's actually gain matched for ideal pairing with other Audiolab components, and it's really good sounding unit when you compare it with something like an Audiolab 8200 CDQ, or there's obviously the new DQ, or the Q analog preamp. They can actually be daisy chained as well, so if you have speakers that are capable of it, you can buy or even triamp with the 8200M. Though that would mean for a pair of speakers that were triamping, you would of course need 6 of the 8200Ms. Okay, now we're going to take you under the lid of the Audiolab 8200M. The unit is vented top and bottom, as you can see here. Unfortunately, there isn't any XLR connections on this particular item. The input and output, you can see at the top left there, are directly soldered to the board, and it's got dual speaker outputs if you do want to buy wire. The main thing you'll notice, obviously, aside from the large capacitors there, are the big toroid transformer. This is much better, especially in audio equipment. What it does is it keeps the unwanted noise in the core and avoids transference of that to the audio components. So you do get a much more improved sound using a toroid transformer. Looking at the rear panel, obviously there's the mains cable connection on the left as we're looking at it now. The speaker terminals, so if you do want to buy wire, you can do that from here. And then the RCA input, and then the load, which is actually the output if you want to daisy chain. Pros, fantastic build quality on the new 8200 series and on the M as well, and very detailed sound from these. They do give a fantastic performance, and they're a really good upgrade to any system, home cinema or stereo. Cons is that really there's no XLR input, which is a shame. It would be nice to see an XLR input on the 8200M, but if you wanted something with a balanced input, then I suggest looking at the 8200MB, which is the slightly bigger brother of the 8200M. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video guide to the Audiolab 8200M. If you'd like to see the rest of the Audiolab range, or to order this product from us, then please do visit our website, www.avland.co.uk. Thanks very much.